TriStar's Tri-Steel bearings are a family of metal-backed polymer-lined bearings that are used in extreme conditions. These are products that are self-lubricating. They're products that can stand up to abrasion, and they offer very low friction in dry applications. This product line is a very high PV product, so we can take extreme load conditions and speeds without lubrication. Because of the variety of liners that we offer, we have different conditions that we can meet. There are some very basic places where these have been used for years and years, but we also have the ability to combine them with other products to make it a full part rather than just a bearing. It's important for us to fully understand the need of the customer right up front. We want to be sure that if we're going to apply a Tri-Steel, it's going to give the longevity that the customer wants, and that's all part of the process of determining which liner is best for the application.